Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you deactivate the background camera detection option in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a settings symbol. Press on it, and once you are done with that as well, you should see here in this page the settings section. You should press on that as well, and you can see here under the AtlasNavi category the background camera detection option, and if you want to deactivate it you should just press on it and you can see that it is deactivated instantly. And if you want to activate it once again you should just press on it. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.